Cryptocurrency is a new type of decentralized digital money which is based on blockchain technology, and this currency is secured by cryptography. To understand cryptocurrency, we need to understand three terminologies: blockchain, decentralization, and cryptography. In simple words, blockchain in the context of cryptocurrency is a digital ledger whose access is distributed among authorized users. This ledger records transactions related to a range of assets like money, house, or even intellectual property. This access is shared between its users, and any information shared is transparent, immediate, and immutable. Immutable means anything that blockchain records is there for good and can't be modified or tampered with, even by an administrator. Centralized money refers to the regular money that we use, which is governed by authorities like reserve banks or state banks. Decentralization in cryptocurrency means there is no similar authority that can be held and responsible for supervising the rise and fall of a particular cryptocurrency. This has many benefits over centralized money. Some of these benefits include the following: there is no need for currency owners to trust a single governing entity, as everyone in the network has access to the same information that cannot be altered. Data remains accessible only to the users of the network, and it is heavily secured. Shared ownership also means all users sign off on how accurate the data is, which means there is very little scope of data mismanagement or miscommunication. Security, which is a fundamental part of a blockchain. Cryptography is the method that secures data from unauthorized access by the use of encryption techniques. Most of the claims that blockchain makes, like privacy and immutability, are enabled through cryptography. The roots of cryptocurrency technology can be traced back to the 1980s with the invention of what is called a blinding algorithm. The algorithm is all about secure and immutable digital transactions. It remains fundamental to the modern day digital currency. In 2008, a group of people currently known under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto created the guiding principles of the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today. Bitcoin in 2009 was launched to the world, but it would be years before it was formally recognized as a means of payment among leading merchants, starting with WordPress in 2012. The underlying blockchain technology is today used in banking, insurance, and other businesses sectors, growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 12.8% since 2021. The cryptocurrency market is estimated to reach 4.94 billion US dollars by 2030, thanks to the need to improve the efficiency of today's payment systems, rise in global remittances, and increased need to secure data. Of course, you all would have easily understood. If my video helped you understand, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.